If you have a look around the place, you'll often find something that could do with a bit of improvement, maybe a little bit of a makeover. Take this wall, for example. It's doing a beautiful job as a wall, but can you imagine how much better it would look with some exciting plants growing on it? Or maybe you just need more space to grow your plants. This is a great little DIY project that's pretty easy to achieve in a short time. In this case, it's about 2.5 minutes. Once you've decided on a position, you can screw on the mesh grid, which has 4 screw holes. Use a spirit level to ensure it's straight. You can screw straight through into timber, but for masonry like this, you'll need plugs and screws. You got a few choices when it comes to the pots, and they come with these hooks that are designed for each pot. And then basically it's up to you where you want to put them. They just simply slot onto the mesh panels, and you can build the design any way you like. I'm going to go with a couple of these big black ones at the bottom, a couple of these round ones up the top for some other herbs and veggies that I'm going to show you in a minute. Gone with a truly international theme here, folks. We've got the Trinidad Scorpion Butch Tea Chili, sounds nice and spicy, the Italian parsley, the Vietnamese mint, and we've got the Greek oregano, plus some sage, tomatoes, and this coriander here. It's called Slow Bolt, which I guess is the opposite of Usain Bolt. And then to finish it off, rosemary and some basil. Now, you'll notice I've got a bit of room around the pots. That's just to allow for growth. This rosemary will get right up here. But if you were using smaller stuff, you could easily add a few more pots. Also in the range, you've got these pots that are designed to be screwed straight onto the wall. There's a hole at the top there. You can go under the brick or the fence, put a screw through, the job's done. And don't forget to water your plants in. Beautiful.